Welcome to Doha Guides. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of checking your labor contract online in Qatar. A labor contract is a crucial document that defines your employment terms, covering important details like your job title, contract period, salary, and more. Just like employers have the right to ensure that the contract's conditions are being followed. Starting from August 2023, accessing the labor contract has become even more important, as applying for a family residence visa requires validating applicants' educational certificates through labor contract. Now let's see how you can easily check your labor contract online. Visit the Ministry of Labor's official website dedicated to labor contracts. We have included the link in the description. Enter your Qatar ID number or visa number, along with your mobile number. You'll receive a one-time password on your mobile. If your mobile number isn't registered with the Matrash system, you'll need to do that first. Enter the OTP to verify your identity and click the Login button. Once verified, you can view your labor contract details by clicking on the View button. If needed, download the contract by clicking the Download button. Please note that if your contract doesn't appear after logging in, it could be because your employer hasn't updated it with the ministry yet. Through this portal, you can access critical information about your labor contract, including employee data such as employee education, establishment address, job title, etc. The contract data includes contract duration, probation period, ticket eligibility, and contract status. You can also see your basic salary, allowances, and total salary. For more detailed information about labor contracts and working in Qatar, visit our website at dohaguides.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and stay updated on essential topics related to living and working in Qatar.